Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Kind of a neat text effect that I've never really done before. It's more like on the inside, and then you put the same colored background. And I guess you could probably use any font, but I'm going to use Cooper Black. And it's less than 7 inches. I've set my nudge factor on 7. I'm going to left click, right click, and I'm going to make it. I'm going to go to, see, there's no line thickness here. You could do it, but I'm going to go to object, convert it to a curve, and then you get your line thickness, and we'll make it 10 points. I'm going to make 3 duplicates. I'm going to take this bottom one and I'm going to make it red by right clicking. I'm going to take the middle one and right click yellow. I'm going to grab both these and I'm going to go to effects and blend. And I know you can do it from over here, and we are going to use that. And I'm going to blend it 3 times, but then I'm going to go get my blend tool from here so I can change the handle. And you get, really got to zoom in because you want it more on the inside, but not really touching right there. Or I guess you could do anything. We just want to blend it kind of like that. Now, what to me is going to make it stand out is that we're going to take that black, go to object order, front of page, and we're going to make, let's zoom in here and let's make that black line either yellow or red. So yellow, probably, you don't have to do that. But what's really going to make it stand out is to take a red box, make it red, object order, back of page. And see what I mean? Like the inside, it's looking like you're looking down on it. I might have gone a little bit too far with the E, but it kind of blends in, and you could still, let's change the box to yellow. Now, red's going to be your best. Maybe a burnt orange. No, red's still going to be the best. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.